Good morning, guys. This is Tracy at Scratch Kitchen, and I'm going to show you how doing one simple little task can help save you so much time for meal preps through the month. I have like 3 or 4 dishes I'm going to need rice for, just regular white rice. So, we're going to take a very few minutes and we're going to do rice for the whole month. Now I'm also going to show you how I'm going to store it. Yes, this is my beautiful, wonderful pressure cooker, and you can do rice in it. Now remember, you cannot can in this. As a matter of fact, you cannot can in any pressure cooker. You can cook in a pressure cooker, pressure canner, but you cannot can in anything but a pressure canner. That's the main thing here. Alright guys, now I'm going to do 4 cups of rice. Like I said, I think it's like 4 dishes I'm going to need rice for, so we're just going to do 4. Here it is. It would help if I had everything together. And cooking rice is a 2-to-1 ratio. I'm going to do 4 cups of regular rice. I will need 8 cups of water. Why 8? You take the 4 cups of rice and you multiply it by the 2. And that's going to give you the 8 cups you need to do this. So I will bring you back when I'm getting ready to load this in and show you how to set up your wonderful Instant Pot, sorry, whatever it is. I'm going to show you on the Instant Pot how to do rice in here. Super quick. You can go do other things while this is cooking your rice. Be back. Alright guys, I got 4 cups, I got 8 cups of water. This is where having a 4-cup measuring cup works. This fits 4 cups. I had to fill up twice, that was it. Now, you want to make sure your little thing here is in the sealing position. There we go. Oh, plug her in. This is the most important part, so I'm going to pull you off here to let you really get a close view. Because you're going to hit your rice button, low pressure. That's all you need. You do not want to do high pressure because trust me, you will burn your rice. Done it. I'll bring you back in 12 minutes. Well, when this goes off, and just let it do a natural release and go do whatever else you need to do. Alright guys, the rice is ready to be bagged and stored. And as I look at it, I realize I might have made too much. Yeah, I may have. So we're going to get it in this bags so that we can store it up and use it like 2 cups at a time. So I will see you guys later.